Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying what you legally control and why that matters. If you don't own it, obtain a license or swap it. Once done, pick clips you filmed or use royalty-free assets and plan to transform them, trimming, reordering, and adding original voiceover. Make sure to prepare an alternative soundtrack you own or cleared under a license. This prevents automatic takedowns. Don't pause on vague guesses. Document permissions so you can prove rights if challenged. Now you'll perform concrete edits that reduce content matching while adding value. Pitch shift or time stretch audio slightly, layer your own voiceover, and adjust speeds. That alters fingerprinting. Once that's applied, reframe shots, crop, intercut with B-roll, and add on-screen graphics to create new context. Make sure you also update file metadata with credits and license ID when applicable. Platforms check that. Keep changes purposeful. Transformative edits protect you better than random tweaks. Finish by uploading with explicit license details in the description. Choose any platform options that allow manual review. Once live, watch notifications and analytics closely for 48 to 72 hours because automated systems often trigger first. If you receive a claim, act quickly. File a dispute with your proof of ownership or license, or replace the flagged audio and reupload. If needed, remove the clip. A key troubleshooting tip: keep clear, dated documentation of permissions to resolve disputes fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.